Hello, my name is Andrea. I am content manager at Markeco, and today I'm going to be going over how to add tags to your email subscribers using Convertkit. So we're just going to go over a couple of points, starting with what are tags and the importance of them, how many tags you should be using, and some key questions that you need to ask yourself before tagging your subscribers. So first things first, tags is a way to let you keep track of your subscriber base. It's a quick and easy way to find important information from where your subscribers are from, what they are interested in, and it allows you to send the right emails to the right subscribers. Because if you're able to segment your base and know who is who in your subscriber base, you can have better content for a specific type of audience. So, how many tags should you be using? Well, this really depends on a lot of things. First of all, you need to be using tags that will give you relevant information. Just be mindful. Don't use too many tags because then you will have a complete mix up in your email list. You might be sending email twice, the same email to different segments of people. So really, you need to think about what will give you the best type of information, what will help you be more personalized but without overdoing it, and just think more about quality than a specific number of tags, like which types of tags will give you valuable information. So we're going to go over these 4 key questions to help you define your tags and segment your user base better. Number 1, where? With this, we mean what pages, what key sites are your subscribers coming from? Do they come from a Facebook group? Do they come from a newsletter? Do they come from a podcast? If you know this, you're going to have better content depending on the specific channels they like to use the most. For example, we have a Facebook Blueprint certification prep group. So if someone comes from that Facebook group, then we will send them content related to study guides, studying and preparing for the test, or opportunities after the test. But if they come from the newsletter, that is to keep up with digital marketing and just trends from top companies, then we will send them other type of content. So it's important because you also know here, if your subscribers come from a specific page, where to focus your resources and where you need to pay more attention to what you're doing. Number 2, any specific interests or behaviors. Here, a very handy tool is to use the information from the Facebook membership questions. Whenever someone joins your group, you can ask a series of questions, and then you will have some information that you can later add to your tags. This will help you build specific content, make your list, have it be more personalized, have like a more one-to-one touch within an email communication, which is hard to do, but it's really, really worth it if you're able to do it. So how do you do this from the Facebook questions? Well, for example, one of our questions when you join our group is, how much is your average monthly ad spend budget? Now here we have a couple of ranges. And if we know how much someone spends, let's say that we launch a course for economic or monthly ad spend budget, or like low ad spend budget, then we know who to send it to because they are on that range of like ad spending, and it's not going to be relevant for someone who spends a lot more money. So that's why you want to segment it like that. It helps you build this quality in the list. Once you have quality, then your leads are better. The people in your audience are going to respond better, and you're going to have better engagement rates and click-through rates. Number 3, what are the demographics? So think here, don't tag any single demographic, but think about relevant things for your particular business. For example, do you host live events? If so, then you need to know where your group is located. Is it something for a certain age group, or you have like different plans depending on the age? Then you need to know how old they are. So think about things like that. For example, at Markeco, we have our newsletter is in English, and we have a bunch of subscribers in the English side, but we also like to focus on Latin America and Spanish speakers. But if we know how many Spanish speakers we have, then we can see if it's worth it to make the same newsletter, but in Spanish as well. Just that types of things that will help you grow with your subscribers and just become a better content creator for them, right? And last but not least, the funnel. Here we mean by what stage are your subscribers at? Like, are they new subscribers? Have they already purchased? What stage in the funnel are they? Because if you know who's our recurring customers, you know what to send them, and also you understand which stage is the most crucial. For example, if someone's just like, you see a leak from like stage 3 pre-buying, and no one's converting into a paying customer, then you know you have a problem there, and you know that you have to act on it there. So it just lets you better monetize at the end all of your email communication and have, as I said before, a more loyal customer base. And if you know who your customers are, you can serve them a lot better. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment below. We also have these 2 resources for you. The first one here is a Fiverr course that we launched, so you can learn online how to build your online community. And then here to the right, we have our newsletter. It's a weekly newsletter where you get 8 news that are worth reading, 3 hacks worth knowing, and 1 fun fact or question that is worth discussing during the week. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.